Hey guys, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. We are making the ultimate fried bologna sandwich. Now, if you're like me, grew up in Texas or grew up in the South, grew up poor, you probably have had a fried bologna sandwich in your lifetime, but today we're going to elevate it. It's not going to just be your white bread with a piece of bologna on it, maybe some cheese. We're going to make this to a oh my status. So I was talking to my friends over at the Naked Gardeners, Sydney, the other day, and we were talking about bologna and eating bologna sandwiches as a kid, and we're like, you know what? We're going to do a challenge. Everybody make their version, their best ultimate bologna sandwich, and let's see what we end up with. So, first of all, I am going to cut some onions up on my little mandolin here. Because I want them pretty thin. Don't need a ton. We're not making a bunch of sandwiches. Get a little bit of butter here on our grill. Turn our grill on. And get her hot. I do have the lid off today because you really don't need it for the griddle function of the Power XL smokeless grill. All right, so I'm gonna take my grilled onions. Look how nice that chop these up. Man, oh man. I won't use all these, but you know, some on the side's not a bad thing. All right, we're gonna grill these up. Throw a little bit of salt on. Pepper. Let them go. Next thing we're going to do is prep our bologna. Now, I didn't get your packaged store-bought bologna. No. I went to my deli. They have got a garlic bologna to die for. And if you've been around my channel very long, you know I love garlic. And if you're new, hey, by the way, I really like garlic. So we're at the point of this video. I would really love it if you would give me a thumbs up, share, like, all that fun stuff. And do me a favor, comment in the comment section below. Did you grow up eating fried bologna sandwiches? And if so, do you still love them? I would love to know, good or bad, I would love to know your opinion. My husband doesn't think he's a fan, but I'm going to try to convert him today because, I mean, come on. All right, so I got my bologna cut pretty thick. I don't like skimpy bologna. I saw a video that they did, I think, on the Food Network, and she had this super thin bologna, and I'm like, why? So I did learn a new technique from my friend Sydney over at the Naked Gardener. I'd always cut like here. He said, no, just put a little cross in the middle and it'll keep it from poofing up. So we're going to give that a try. I had never tried it before. So Sydney, if it don't work, man, it's all on you. I love my friend Sydney and his wife Tori. They are in the process of moving to their forever homestead, and I'm super excited for them. I'm going to throw a little bit more butter down because why not? It's just flavor. All right. Throw A couple pieces of bologna on here. I even struck up a conversation with the guy at the deli about bologna sandwiches when he was a kid. I mean, everybody has their version of bologna and fried bologna sandwiches. And he was telling me how his grandmother used to sneak broccoli into the cheese so they'd get vegetables with it. So I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know, Sid. It's still popping up on me, friend. Maybe I didn't make the slit big enough. Give that a flip. Oh, man. Look at that. Gosh, that looks good. Our onions. All right, we're going to make a little bit of a dressing sandwich spread to go on it. I'm going to take about probably not quite a half a cup of Miracle Whip. You can use whatever salad dressing you like. I've got some dill and some green onions that come out of my garden. Yeah, I'm pretty dang proud of that. Taking a little bit of this Creole mustard. Give it a little bit of a kick. Dump that in there. Give this a good stir. And we'll see what seasonings we still might need with it. That's pretty dang good, if I do say so myself. Alright. Set that aside. Flip our bologna one more time. I'm going to put a little slit in there. I'll do the best of both worlds here. Alright, so now the cheese. I've got provolone. I love provolone cheese. You could use any cheese that suits your fancy here. But my family and I really enjoy this deli provolone. Alright. I love provolone. It's got such a great flavor to it. Our onions a little bit more of a toss here. Toasted bun. And I'm using leftover from our fish this weekend. Hawaiian sweet rolls. And you want to toast it up. I mean, you want to toast it up. Spread some butter on it. Bring our bologna down just a little. Put our buns on. Alright. Let's let the buns get toasty and then we're going to build this bad boy. Alright. Got a good toast on our bun. We're going to take some of our mayonnaise mixture here. some of our onions. You can put as many as you want on here. I've got another sandwich to make after we're done filming, so I'm not going to use all my onions. So we are going to put some tomato on here. Lettuce. I'm going to put a little bit of more of my, yeah, it's that good. Top it. You know, turn it upside down, and it's perfect. Look at that gooey cheese right there. All right, let's cut this up and give it a try. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Does that not look amazing? That is one amazing sandwich, guys. I hope you will give this a try. A cow. I hope you will give this a try. Join this challenge. If you are a YouTube content creator, and it don't matter if you do cooking videos or not, if you want to give this a try, it's hashtag Ultimate Bologna Sandwich. Thank you. Be sure and check out this video right here where I'm showing you how to make egg salad sandwiches. And we'll see you on the next video.